Before we start, we would like to thank all of you for your massive, amazing support, for all your comments, shares, kind words, likes, and all the new subscriptions.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. We really appreciate that. As you can see, we are on a boat, on a ferry, and we are headed to one of the main areas of Istanbul, Sultan Ahmet. We're gonna see a Blue Mosque today. We are so very excited because of one of the major attractions in Istanbul, and obviously we're gonna take you guys with us as always. Come and join us. And we arrived. As you can see, we were on a boat on a previous footage, so we took a ferry from the place where we live in Istanbul to Sultan Ahmet. What do we know about Istanbul generally? It is massive city, one of the biggest cities. Over 16 million people live in Istanbul, and generally it is divided on two parts. One is European side on west, and one east side is Asian side. Today we're gonna explore European side and talk about what's happening here, what's interesting. If you noticed, we are wearing masks, and everyone in Istanbul is wearing masks. That's why we want to follow the rules out of the respect.
Well, we have to follow the rules.
And we have to follow the rules at the same time. So this is going to be a little bit different. Now we are going to Blue Mosque, but we just realized there is a prayer time.
In 40 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, and they close in the mosque for 1.5 hours during prayer time. So not sure if you're gonna make it. If you don't make it, we'll stay with you anyways, and we talk about different things. So first impression of Istanbul and Sultan Ahmet itself. It's crazy busy.
Very busy.
It's one of the busiest cities we ever been at, and apparently we are in one of the busiest parts of the city, Sultan Ahmet. Well, it's going to be definitely interesting and challenging. We've got some walk to walk today, but as you know, we like walking. One thing I forgot to mention, there is a lot of up and down. Yeah, so we walk very often uphill and downhill. We didn't realize that. So far last 10 minutes we've been walking just uphill. On the map you obviously don't see that. So yeah, if you come to Istanbul, make sure you put some trainers on.
As I did.
Because you're gonna be walking a lot. Guys, we decided we're not gonna probably make it on time to Blue Mosque before the prayer time, so we decided we're gonna stop in Hagia Sophia, which is a major building in Istanbul, and Sultan Ahmet as well. This place is amazing. We just went, yeah, we just went through a checkpoint, security points. They divide men and women into two separate groups, and they check them separately. Security here is really
on a serious level.
Yeah, really strict. So they check in the bags and everything. Obviously this is a tourist attraction, one of the #1 tourist attractions in the Istanbul, so security has to be crazy. But just look at that place. It looks absolutely amazing. All the greenery here. There is quite a lot of people, but I don't blame them. It's a beautiful place, so let's have a look together. part. Alina is in a female part, that's why she's not with me. The only thing I can say, energy here is undescribable. I never felt this way. It's just amazing. Really, really, really amazing. So we both just go out. We stayed there for 10-15 minutes. I sat down and just tried to enjoy the prey, and I really did. Energy was unbelievable. I even closed my eyes for a little bit, and I must say I had the goosebumps the whole that time I was inside. So that energy and that power of the time while they are praying is just amazing. Anyways, let's head to our next destination. So we just arrived to Blue Mosque, and as we entered the place, we realized it's completely under reconstruction. So walls are covered, and
we cannot see much actually.
Yeah, from inside we cannot see much. However, from outside it's a little bit better. So I hope you guys enjoy a bit of view on the mosque. It's stunning place, very similar to the previous one, but this one is obviously way bigger. Atmosphere here is also very, very similar. People are very peaceful, and yeah, it's great. It's definitely a great experience.
I think we will have to come another time to see it in full.
100%. If it's fully opened and there is no reconstruction going on, but it's one of those major things you need to see when you come to Istanbul.
Impressive.
It's unbelievable. Guys, we just talked to local police, young people, surprisingly very young, but very nice people.
Very helpful.
Police in Istanbul is really, really good. They are very talkative and very open-minded as well. They treat you as a friend almost.
Good.
Thank you.
Bakmada yer var mı?
It's beautiful.
Of course.
And we are back in the center of Sultan Ahmed. Currently going to Grand Bazaar. We heard from the locals it's very interesting to see. It's a massive place obviously, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna film, see what do they offer. Maybe we're gonna buy something.
Yeah, probably.
I don't think we will, but it's worth to go and see. So guys, Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and the biggest bazaars in the world. Somebody considered this place as one of the world's first shopping malls. Covers over 61 streets, and it has got up to 400,000 visitors a day. All of those facts are crazy impressive, right? place is crazy. Look at that stuff. Thank you very much. You can literally buy anything here, right? Branded stuff, not branded stuff, backpacks, jewelry.
Gold, silver.
Yeah, enjoying coffees and
Leather.
teas. It is very cool place, but I must say we're getting lost. So because of how large this place is,
And how busy.
we turned left, we turned right, and then we turned left and right again a million times.
And we don't know where we are
Yeah, and
anymore.
we have no idea where's the exit or where's the entrance. And this place is,
It's beautiful actually.
yeah, but at the same time incredibly large. We don't, okay, finally, I think we see the exit over there. But let's turn right one more time.
We
Last
start to
time.
enjoy it, no?
Yeah, based on what we researched and learned, apparently you can buy here something between fake and real branded stuff. As Turkish describe it, is a very high quality fake,
Dupe.
yeah, duplicate. But we tried actually. We tried a few handbags and we tried a few clothes, and they were really good quality. So you would not recognize, or barely recognize, original from their fake. So normally you buy Chinese stuff, you can feel straight away it is fake. But this one was super good quality. Obviously you can negotiate the price all the time, and yeah, it's very often so cheap. It's crazy. It's very difficult not to buy anything, because if you would start buying now, you do have all the brands you can ever imagine. It's impossible to choose one over another one, and one has got better price, one has got less better price. So yeah, it's amazing shopping opportunity, but we will pass it. Amount of jewelry and gold and silver and so on and platina you can buy here.
My eyes are getting lost.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I don't really know how many people works here, but it must be in probably in thousands.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know. It's unbelievable.
Just look around. And the smell here is very nice.
Yeah, I cannot say it is overcrowded. It's because they have a security on the entrance. Obviously, flow of people is much slower. Wow, so that place was incredible. What do you think?
It felt like a never-ending labyrinth, to be honest.
Yeah, we didn't spend there too long time, about an hour. We had a walk around, had a chat with the local sellers. Obviously everyone wants to sell their stuff, and everyone says they've got the best price.
It's very relative.
And it's very difficult, because you never know if you're not gonna go to another shop and there's gonna be something better, something cheaper, and so on. So it's very difficult to buy from such a choice. Anyways, we're gonna go and get some lunch, and we're gonna see you a little bit later. Guys, this has been it for today. We had a long day walking
long.
and exploring. Few insights from Istanbul, and particularly this part of Istanbul. It is a very busy part,
Yeah.
very touristic part. Prices are at least 2 to 3 times higher than the location where we are staying. We're staying in the Asian side, so get ready to pay much more. A lot of people will be approaching you with some sort of offers or selling all different food and clothes and items. But that's normal, that's like
pretty
everywhere.
much everywhere, yeah.
But it's beautiful. There is a lot of parks and a lot of history in here, and we would definitely recommend coming here and having a look yourself. It's that part of Istanbul you have to visit, no matter what kind of travelers are you, or what kind of holiday makers are you. We're gonna take a boat back to our side, and in the next video we will be talking about Asian side, which I am particularly very looking forward to,
Yeah,
because
me too.
this
It's unexplored.
yeah also this part is more business oriented. That part, Asian side, is more laid back,
More local. Yeah.
enjoy life oriented. So we're gonna in the next video take you with us again and explore Asian part. We will talk about prices, we will talk about everything what's happening in that area, and explore beautiful green spaces. There's a lot of green as well. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us some nice comments.
Yeah, your thoughts.
Alina is reading all of them and responding very often. So if you are
Always.
fancy asking something, feel free to ask. We always respond.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
That's correct. And we see you guys in the next video.
See you.
Stay tuned.
Bye
Bye bye.